What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. You know I love these projects. I just love them so much. So, today project, man, we finna get into polos. How you can make you your own polo and be dripped out, stupid drip-tastic on a roller coaster ride to Fantastic Land. Yes, I said Fantastic Land. Hey, just follow me. You could do it too. You know what I'm saying? As long as you got the will and the skill to make it happen. Let's make this deal. I almost forgot to say, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. What is taking you so long? You can hit the subscribe button right there. Comment down there. Give me a like right there. Give me a like right there. Okay? Tell your friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright, now let's get to this table and get into this project. Let's go. Okay, we are now at the table of greatness. I call this the table of greatness because great things happen on this table. Fantastic things happen on this table. Amazing things happen on this table. Have to cut it from scratch. You can just do it like this, add a little flavor to it. Boom, boom, boom. Boost it up 1,000 notches. Top prestige, no cap. So I'm just gonna use this one. I'll show you in another video how to actually cut your own pattern out for a polo and go like that. But for this one, we just gonna do it like this. But as you can see, I had already started seam ripping. I ripped off one sleeve, and I'm gonna rip off the other sleeve on this one. Add some dope ribbon to it. To this, it's gonna have a real Gucci vibe to it. It's gonna be real. It's gonna be sexy. Got this one ripped off. I'm gonna rip up the other one, and then hey, just watch me work. You know. So that's what we're gonna get into. See that, you know, I'm lining it up. See how I want to put the ribbon and everything on here. I might change this. I might change the rib knit waist, not a waistband, but the rib knit arm sleeve. So I might change that. I'm finna see what else I got. If not, then I'm gonna just still rock with this. But yeah, right now that's what I'm doing. So let me just go on here, get it together, and then finish watching what I do. So you know what I'm saying, how I do it, how I place it, how I sew it, and everything. So then how I put it back together. So make it, it's not going to be the same shirt when I get done with it when I first started. So it's going to be something totally different, whole different animal. I think I'm going to change the rib knit around the arm sleeve to give it a different, like I said, give it a different look, change it up some. So this the blue rib knit that I got right here. I'm just going, this the old rib knit. Now this is not a 4-way stretch. This is just a 2-way stretch. So you got to make sure you cut along the pattern of the stretch. So the stretch is going along this way. So that means you have to cut this way, you know, because if you try to cut the other way, you know what I'm saying, it's not going to be stretchy. So you can see it stretches this way, but it doesn't have that much give like this way. It still gives, but it's not that much give, but the stretch is this way, that way. So the old one. So what I'll just be doing is using this as a template. can see right now, I got the sleeve and I got the ribbon pinned down, and we're gonna sew it down on both sides. Yeah, on the left and the right, and then we're gonna do the rib knit on the arm sleeves. Rib knit sleeve rib knit for the sleeve. So what you want to do is you want to fold it like you can fold it like that, but I folded it already so it can have that crease in it, and I pressed it out earlier. But what you're gonna have to do is it's gonna be like this, and I do mine like this. So I put them both together like this. See, end to end, right? Open end, open end. Then you're gonna sew it down with a straight stitch. You know, don't forget the back stitch on that. And you're gonna just straight back stitch it. Boom. Like so. It's a real nice clean stitch. Get all the excess. So it's gonna look like that. So then you're gonna wanna take it and you're gonna want to fold it again like that. So now it's all one piece. It's all one piece now, you know. So I suggest, if you want to, you'll take this over to the arm right here and you'll press it down, and then so it could just be laying down, and then it can fold even more better. So alright, so I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then you'll catch me back over here in a minute, and I'll be putting it on. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the rib knit. As you see it now, that's how it looks to the sleeve. So what we want to do is, the sleeve is already sewn, the rib knit is already sewn. Sometimes people don't sew it like the way I do, but I think I like to do it like this because it just let me know if you want to get a tighter fit around the bicep, you could do it this way, you know, and it just look a lot better to me. Some people just sew it on with the shirt and everything, but I don't really like that, but that's just me. So let's just go. So you're gonna take the shirt, you're gonna make sure the sleeve is on the right side, and this is like this. So you're gonna place the rib knit fabric, you wanna make sure it's on the right side like that. Find the seam on the rib knit, and you wanna put them together, but like this. So you're gonna slide that on like that. Done, finish it sewing it around. You're gonna flip it down like that. See? So you're gonna sew it like that, then you're gonna flip it. Both raw edges need to meet, then you flip down. And then you could top stitch, or you can do a blind hem underneath. So maybe next time I'll do a blind hem for you, but this time I'm just gonna top stitch. So as you can see here, I already printed and cut it out with my Cricut maker. Images that I actually want to use on the shirt. So this is what I'm going to use on the shirt, you know, all over the shirt, and we're gonna see what it come out. Now this is this kind of paper is Subflex 200. That's Subflex 200. It's actually sublimated on here, and it's a strange but unique way how that works. You know, I'll show you how this paper work on another video, but you actually flip it over like that, and the image actually bleeds through to the other side. It's very unique, and it comes out brilliant. The color is vibrant, just wonderful. But right now, this is what I'm about to do. I'm gonna head over to the heat press. Project is done. I think it came out amazing. You know that saying. You know what I like to say the most. And you always know what it's finna be when I get done with it. But hey, no further ado, let's check it out and see how it came out. Let's get that B-roll.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip.
What did y'all think about that one? That polo is on a whole nother level. I'm telling you, I smoked it with that one. First polo ever to be done like that on YouTube, at least I think. You comment below, and if you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about your boy Sauce Boss and all the dope creations that I'm creating on my channel, for real. And I am just trying to inspire you to be the better you that you want to be. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for spending that time with me. You know what I'm saying? Never stop striving. Never stop dreaming. Never stop designing. It's your boy, Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rawr.